Hi, Savvy Sales community. I want to talk to you today about something that really bugs me. In all of my years of selling, over 40 years, and the workshops that I've attended, the professional selling courses that I've taken, there's two areas, though, that was never addressed. Not one of them ever focused on communication skills and mindset. Yet, as a salesperson, communication skills and mindset is just as important as learning a sales process. Matter of fact, I think it's more important than learning a sales process. I have personally always believed in developing the entire salesperson, not just teach them a sales process and have them go at it. Because learning a sales process isn't enough. The very best sales professionals are the ones that have taken it beyond the sales process by developing excellent communication skills and cultivating a peak performance mindset. Now, if you haven't become a part of the Savvy Sales Lady community, I want to suggest that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Become a part of the Savvy Sales Lady community. We're a community for all salespeople, because in this video you're going to learn 3 savvy sales communication skills to up your game in selling. Keep watching. Harrington, the Savvy Sales Lady, your personal YouTube sales coach, helping you learn sales savvy intelligence so you can sell intelligent. In Bill McGowan's book, Pitch Perfect, he says this: saying the right thing the right way can make the difference between sealing the deal or losing the account. Amen, Bill! When was the last time you thought about improving your communication skills? Maybe right now? Here are 3 quick tips to get you started. Tip number 1, when you communicate it right the first time, it means that people hear it right the first time. During a sales presentation or a sales conversation, have you ever had the buyer ask you a question that you've already answered? Right? That means they stopped listening to you. When people hear it right the first time because you've said it right, it means it will save you time and everyone will be more productive. So stop ab-libbing. Scripts are your friend, and I have been teaching and preaching this forever. Professionals don't ad-lib. They learn what they're supposed to say and they execute what they're supposed to say. Through practice, practice, practice. Haven't I said that a gazillion times? Professionals say it right the first time with the right tone, with the right words. When you communicate it right the first time, it means that people will hear you. They're listening to you. So stop ad-libbing. Take it seriously. Tip number 2, believe what you say. Professionals aren't wishy-washy. They mean what they say and say what they mean. So should you. Stay away from wishy-washy words like sort of, kind of, I think. Project certainty because the buyer is seeking certainty in order to say yes to your offer. When you use wishy-washy phrases, it makes you look and sound weak. Tip number 3, project excitement and enthusiasm. There's nothing worse than listening to a monotone salesperson drone on and on. A sales manager sent me one of his sales reps to work with because the guy sounded so boring. I mean, he could put the dead to sleep. I asked him to recall a memory that he felt excited about and to describe it to me in that excitement. Well, as you can imagine, that didn't go well. He didn't need a sales coach, he needed a voice coach. If that's you, then I highly recommend that you seek out a voice coach. The voice coach will help you learn breathing exercises, how to project your voice, and how to use tone. Roger Love has an excellent YouTube channel with videos and courses to help you master your voice. When you do, you'll be able to capture the buyer's attention instead of putting the buyer to sleep. So let's recap. Tip number 1 is say it right the first time. Tip number 2, believe what you say. Tip number 3, say it with enthusiasm. Give me a thumbs up if you're willing to try these tips this week on your sales calls. And again, become a part of the Savvy Sales Lady community. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And while you're at it, grab the free giveaway below. It's my gift to you. But remember this, sales is a journey. It's not a quick trip around the block. See you on the next video.